Wait. We're going to see how,
Sylvan, sit down.
how you like the taste of the inside of the lemon. You may like the taste of the outside of the lemon, but it's time to find out how it really tastes. Boy, I'm being so nice. Opening this sour lemon for you. Oh. Whoa! You had to lift the sweat off your forehead for that one. You want this half? You have that half too. Whoop. That tastes as sour as the rest of it.
Taste it, Sylvan. Num num.
Num num. No, they need to go back together. Oh yeah?
You like it? Num num.
Critiquing it. He's like, okay, I like it.
Num num, Sylvan. Do you like that lemon?
Smells good. You even like the taste of it. Need to go back together.
Want to take a big bite?
You give him a little bit of sugar with the lemon. Don't wipe your eye. Squeeze some lemon juice in your eyes. That would be good. You like that? Well, pick up the music. Oh,
Lemons and rock and roll. All right, say goodnight, Sylvan. Say bye-bye.